Hello, this is a brief screencast on how to submit your Terrific Kid nominations for the April 14th ceremony. Shortly, everyone will be receiving an email that looks very similar to this. It'll explain that you'll need to click on the link at the bottom of the email to complete a form to submit your nominations. If you'll click on that link, a form will pop up, and you will need to complete this form, complete every question in this form. Whenever you're completing the form for teacher name, you will need to make sure that you type in your name as you would want it to appear on the document that you'll be giving your student. Select the correct date of the ceremony, type the student's first and last name, and then type in your comments. Once you complete this form, you'll hit the submit button, and you will need to complete this form for both nominations. So for each student, you will need to complete this form. Once the form is submitted, you will receive an email. It'll look like this, and it'll contain a document at the bottom, a Google Doc. It'll be titled the teacher's name, and then the student's name, and then the date of the ceremony that was selected. If you'll click on that document, there'll be a document with your comments embedded into it, as well as the teacher's signature. And this will be the form, the document that I will print off for the Terrific Kid ceremony. You will have access to this document to edit your comments or to add comments if you've left something off. But once again, this is how we will submit our Terrific Kid nominations for the April 14th Terrific Kid ceremony. If you have any questions, please let me know.